everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking the power of ST User Trace, a simple but game-changing transaction in SAP that gives you a behind-the-scenes look at authorization checks. If the authorization trace status shows inactive when you open transaction ST User Trace, you will need to update profile parameter auth/auth_user_trace. Change this value to F. When the profile parameter was updated, the authorization trace will reflect the status active with filters. It is now time to create a filter to start recording the trace. To create a new filter or change an existing, click on Change Filter. On the selection option, click on the drop-down and select Include Pattern on username with a star, and then click the green tick. There are a few things to know when evaluating the trace in ST User Trace. Number 1. ST User Trace only records each authorization check once per user until the result changes. So if it keeps succeeding, it won't show up again until it fails. That's why filtering by date isn't reliable. It might leave things out. Number 2. You'll notice that the same authorization object might appear multiple times. That's because SAP records it separately for each unique field value it checks. 3. ST User Trace can generate a lot of data. To keep things focused and meaningful, always apply at least one filter, like a specific username or authorization object. It helps you avoid overwhelm and zero in on what matters. 4. Check the number of entries to verify if the restriction on maximum number of hits value will cause incomplete results. Once you've entered your filters, click on Evaluate. Like you see here, the result of ST User Trace looks very similar to ST Auth Trace. One big difference is that this is not a point-in-time trace. This is over a longer extended period. I hope you learned something new in today's video and that you'll come back soon.